After spending 7 months inside the Tihar jail, finally Aam Aadmi Party leader and MP Sanjay Singh has been allowed to walk out of the Tihar jail cell. As soon as Sanjay Singh walked out from the Tihar jail, there were crowd that has gathered over there to welcome their leader, and as soon as they saw them, they started showering flower petals on Sanjay Singh. Seeing the excitement amongst the crowd, Sanjay Singh also addressed the crowd and said that they need to go ahead with more aggression, more power, and make sure that the manner in which their party is being attacked, that should be tackled with a heavy hand. Now finally Sanjay Singh has come out. He was welcomed by his supporters, not only his supporters but his entire family, his father, his wife, his son, his daughter, all had come over here to welcome Sanjay Singh. And now finally, after addressing the crowd, motivating them, telling them that they need to go even harder at the BJP now, Sanjay Singh will go to the CM's residence, where he will speak to the wife of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, and from there finally the workers will be addressed by the leader at the party office of the Aam Aadmi Party. So definitely Aam Aadmi Party has the entire itinerary planned. They now want to make sure that they could actually go ahead and build more pressure, get some energy amongst the workers, because remember, since the time this case had started, the Aam Aadmi Party was on the back foot, defending the allegations that were being put forth by the BJP, by the Enforcement Directorate, by the parties who were opposing the Aam Aadmi Party. Now finally, for the first time, one of the leaders who was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate in this alleged liquor policy scam has finally been allowed to come out, and now there is a new energy that can be sensed amongst the workers of the Aam Aadmi Party. Now it remains to be seen as to how the Aam Aadmi Party will make sure that they could build more pressure on the BJP and probably try to turn the tide at this point, because remember, the kind of allegations that have been put forth against the entire top brass of the Aam Aadmi Party, these allegations are absolutely serious in nature. 3 of their leaders are inside the jail. Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia, Satyendra Jain are all inside the Tihar jail. Satyendra Jain has been allowed to walk out on bail, where the Enforcement Directorate did not oppose his bail. Now since Sanjay Singh is out, he is the senior most leader of the party. It remains to be seen how will he take the party forward from here on. With video journalist Rahul Malhotra, this is Anshul Singh for CNN News 18.